where they've scraped pretty good and it hasn't refilled back in, you can see the highway, so it helps a ton to be able to drive. But where it's snow covered, there's just almost no contrast. It's just complete whiteout, like right now. Complete whiteout. You don't have any idea where the road is. You don't have any idea where there's a car in front of you. You can't see. I guess this is why they would call it a blizzard, or why